Alright then, hello guys. Today we're doing another flare on challenge. We're gonna be doing flare on number 12, and the exact challenge we're gonna be doing is gonna be called Pretty Devilish File. So this one's a bit weird, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like it because it's kind of like guess your way into it. It's not like where it's technically skill wise. It's mostly trying to find the tools needed for this. So yeah, I just don't didn't really enjoy this challenge. So let's get started. So right now I'm in my virtual Python environment, so I could just deactivate it, and then if we go on home downloads, and if we check on, I guess, downloads, we see Pretty Devilish Flare on 12 challenges, and we see Pretty Devilish File. So I guess the thing about this challenge is that you're supposed to notice that it's unlocked. So if we check on Firefox, we don't see nothing. So if we grab this specific file and then go on Flareon or Google Chrome, we can see there's the word Flareon. So that gives us something that the file's encrypted or something. And also, if you run the strings command on it, strings devilish, I think, or let me type it, see what it is. Strings pretty devilish file .pdf. We see encrypted metadata and all this sort of stuff. So this file is encrypted. So to decrypt it, we're supposed to use some kind of PDF decryption, and the one that turns out that works the best is going to be called QPDF, which is a content preserving PDF transformer. You can use it to decrypt and encrypt different files. So decrypt there's a QPDF CTF tool. Is a powerful command. Use silence decrypt QPDF password. So yeah, see, look. So yeah, it's basically running QPDF. Linux install. So I don't even have it installed, so I'm not gonna find a way. So I think, could we just use this? Hopefully this works. Honestly, if this works, this might be like the sudo apt install QPDF. Might need to fix my libraries because I haven't really updated or installed anything new onto here. So maybe some things might be broken. Yeah. apt fix broken installs, I guess. Yes, so we just gotta wait for this for a bit, and I guess wait until everything gets sorted when it comes to it. Hopefully it's able to fix it. Hopefully fine, it will be installed, will no longer be required. It's whatever. We just wait for this. So yeah, this is mostly like a straight up kind of guess your way into the tool. So it's not really, I don't know, it's a reversing challenge, but at the second time it's not. It's a flare on challenge, so it has to be pretty difficult. So we're just waiting. If anything breaks, I just have chat GPT ready. Chat GPT. Go back right here. It's downloading a whole bunch of stuff right now. Reading database. Yeah, I probably should have done this a lot earlier. I'll probably have to do a lot of editing just in case in the future. So while that's getting, yeah, it's gonna take a while. Oh damn, unpacking. 3.11. Oh yeah, I guess it's just updating most of the Python packages. Hopefully the Python ones are just like the heavy ones. Yeah. So we're waiting for these challenges to be installed at the moment, or these recommendations. 4%. Oh. So now we're just waiting for this to be installed. Yeah, it's just basically Python packages. It's crazy. So I guess what I'll show right now while we're waiting on this is what I did try was use a basically a free PDF unlocker, which kind of worked in my favor. So if we check PDF file unlocked, we see that this was through the a PDF unlocker, and I'm able to open it now on Firefox, as you can see right here. So I can see this file both on Firefox and on Google Chrome. So if I copy this and go back to right here and press paste, we can see it right there. While we're waiting for this, let's see if I could do the next following steps. So after this, you're supposed to use some kind of tool to extract images from a file. And the one that I guess we're supposed to use for this specific challenge is going to be called PDF images. So if you look up PDF images, it's basically PDF saves images from portable as a portable Pixmap. Portable. So it's a way of, I guess, storing images in a file. And we're supposed to use this specific tool to be able to, I guess, do this. So let's see if we can look up like an online tool online. Free online extract. Okay, so let's try this one. Hopefully we're able to get something. If not, we might need to use the tools needed. Then start. Maybe it gets something, maybe it doesn't. Oh. Well, we got something. So we got an image file. So if we open this pretty devilish file, how do you wanna Firefox, I guess. Looks like the flag is hidden, so I can't even look at it. And while this is getting updated, I can't even look at this right now. But after this, we get this JPEG file, or this, I guess, GMP file in our case. So what we need to be able to do is, I guess, yeah, so we got this, yeah, images, flare on. Yeah, nothing. So we just got this weird image right here, which I guess turns out to be a PNG. So I guess the next step from here is to be able to turn the PNG to something that we could use. In our case, we're going to be using it as, I guess the next step after reading the write-ups was to convert it to a PMG, a PGM, so a simple raw format. So we could probably look up PNG to PGM. Upload PNG file. So we just upload the file that we just recently downloaded, which was this one. Open. Convert PGM. And it's uploading, doing the whole conversion. And while we wait for that, it finished, so now we just download it. Pretty file unload. So now if we just open this up, and probably could we use VS Code? Yeah, let's try VS Code. I think if we use VS Code, we could, I think, look inside and see the contents of the file, since it's not something that we could mess around with. So while VS Code is trying to open it up, you could probably look at some type of editor, online editor like Hex Edit or V or whatever, to, I guess, finish up this lab. And oh look right here, we got the flag right here, puzzling devilish format flareon.com. So yeah, that was about it for this challenge. I guess doing this wouldn't have mattered either way. Well, it would have mattered because I need to update a lot of these packages that I have, but in my case, I was able to do this challenge, I guess, without it. So it was pretty much plug in, plug out, trying to see what tools worked or not. So I guess we'll go over my steps. So what I did was first download the challenge, and we got this file called prettydevilish file.pdf. I noticed that it's only openable on Chrome and not on Firefox. So what I did next was ran strings command on it, in which you could have seen. I think I just opened it up. Well, right now, just since things are updating, everything's is just gonna be slower. But I ran strings on it and noticed some word called encryption. So I went to a free PDF decryptor tool, which was the, I think I love PDF one. So let's see, hopefully we can see it. Unlock PDF file. So I use this one, and from there I was able to get the unlocked PDF, and that unlocked PDF I was able to look through it through Firefox now, which works before previously when it didn't. And from here, the next point was to basically, I guess, figure out that there was metadata within this file that indicated that there were images inserted into this PDF. So what you want to be able to do next is look up something to extract images from this. And in my case, I use extract.pdf, which extracts images, text, and fonts from the PDF file, in which I did. And then from right here, I guess the next following step was to convert that raw image into a raw format, like a raw format of data. And from right here, that's what I use PGM, which is what is PGM? What is PGM? PGM is basically file. It's basically a grayscaler image, so black and white, just raw format of data. And from there, we're able to, I guess, see the content inside and see that the flag is there indicated. And I guess to prove my theory of that there was an indicator between that hex editor, we could probably look at this and then drop in that image file that we have. So we could probably put open file and then look at the image. Pretty file unlocked, open. And see font, space font, Arial, stream, and resources, content, sub, XML, raw, product, I love PDF, so whatever format, PDF format, description, metadata, filters, and then I guess if we just copy this, we could probably ask ChatGPT, is there an indication of there was an image file? Oh, right here. I guess this was like the indication of the image file being hidden inside all this right here. This where it's like gibberish, this is an indication that there was something inside this file. From right here, we concluded the fact that it could be something that's image related or any kind of metadata related, and that's when we were able to extract it. So yeah, that's about it for the third challenge, pretty devilish file. Nothing, I guess, too fancy, and I think my it's still, yeah, it's still we got an error code, but yeah, that's about it for this challenge. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.